Welcome everyone to Kitchen Innovation, where you'll find new ways to cook traditional food, or any kind of food for that matter, through simple techniques, methods, recipes, cookware and appliances you may already have or been thinking about getting, and using them to their fullest potential at home to prepare and cook delicious meals, such as
a rich, creamy, cheesy pasta dish cooked in a pressure cooker from milk. This easy-to-make dinner isn't the traditional Alfredo pasta meal, but it's just as delicious and quick as the original. All you need is a pressure cooker, an oven bag or slow cooker liner, some milk, water, salt, vinegar, and about a pound of pasta. First, get an oven bag or slow cooker liner in order to line the pot of the pressure cooker. This isn't necessary, but it will keep the pasta and cheese from sticking to the side of the pot for an easy cleanup. An option is to place a trivet at the bottom of the pot with a cup of water to keep the bag off of the direct heat, but you can also use just the water if you like. Next, we will pour 2 cups of milk in a bag with a tablespoon of salt and an 1/8 cup of white or apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of butter. Then we can place any style of pasta or macaroni in the milk. Whatever pasta you want to use will be fine as long as it fits down in the pot. Here we're just using spaghetti cut in half to fit in the pot. The next step is to pour just enough water to almost cover the pasta. We can stir it a little to get the pasta in the water, but it doesn't need to be completely submerged to cook evenly. At this point we can add any kind of seasoning such as pepper or other spices of your choice. We will now tie a zip tie or bread tie around the top of the bag, just leaving an opening to keep the top in place with flaps around the edge. To cook the pasta, just set the cooker on high pressure for 3 minutes and let it naturally release for 5 minutes. Then manually release the rest of the pressure. This should cook the pasta to an al dente consistency. If you want a softer noodle, just let it cook a little longer, like 5 minutes. When it has cooked to your satisfaction, stir the pasta in the water. You will notice that small curds have formed from the heating of the milk. This happens when you add the vinegar, which is acidic, and curdling occurs. You can also use lemon juice, which contains citric acid. Now just stir it around to break up and dissolve the curds, like with this perforated spoon. This sauce is made of pasta water and curds and whey, which is the base of the dish and already has a lot of flavor. But now we can add any kind of shredded or grated cheese such as pecorino, Asiago, Parmesan, or any of your favorite cheeses and mix them in, letting them melt into the sauce. If you want it thicker and creamier, it's as easy as adding more cheese, just as much as you like. We can then see just how rich and creamy the sauce has become. The great thing about cooking in this bag is that we can take it out of the pot and place it in a bowl for serving or storing for later use. So now you can see just how easy and simple it is to make a delicious, rich and creamy cheese pasta dish that you and your family can enjoy anytime in just minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Kitchen Innovation.